people. I love to see faces. Oh my God. Cool. So you see, I want to tell you one thing, okay? So from today, you start a new chapter, and it's called Chapter Daniel, Nico, Michelle, Kale, Victoria, Gina, Amalia, Hannah, Mia, Robin, Reja. I hope I'm telling your name right. I'm sorry, but I'm bad with names. Some people not even understand my name, but I'm quite okay with them. So from today, you will start a new chapter, and I want to promise yourself from today, you're gonna become accountable in trading, okay? Because you're not accountable in trading, you're not gonna be accountable in anything. Not a discipline in your business, not accountable in your life, not in anything. So from today, you start a new chapter, my lovely champions, and it's called trading. Okay, so let's start with the basic. That's why I'll leave that open for you. And it's called From Broke to Banker because we are freaking banker. Okay, we're going banker today. Let me tell you a story of mine. Okay, I was that person. I was listening to everyone. I was that person trying every single indicators, but nothing was working for me. It was so hard. All the indicators, all the graphs, all the lines. I was losing myself in everything, but no one told me, hey, it's an easier way to can actually learn trading and investing. So the easiest way to learn trading and investing was actually learning the basic. I know the basic. I was studying forex in and out for 8 months, 8 months, 8 time for 2 years, but I didn't know how to do it. So let's go from broke to banker. But today I want to start a new chapter. Okay, I want you to forget any indicators, everything. I want to start a new chapter. That's why it's called From Broke to Bank. Okay, so I hope it's gonna work like that. Okay, I'm gonna flip like that. Let me see what's because we did have some technical issues today, so I hope that this is gonna be perfectly fine. Okay, I'm still working on my laptop. I don't know why. I'm in this business. I don't know why I'm still confused sometimes with the laptop, but hey ho, we're gonna work like that. So basic lot size. Okay, many people, they don't stay on one lot size because they think if they change lot size they're gonna make more money. Okay, it is right. If you change the lot size, you're gonna make more money, but you know what you don't know? You're gonna have a risk bigger than that. Okay, so when you start a demo account, I want you to understand every pips when it's going up, or if for example the gold is going up, okay, instead of 84 it's 85, you lose $15 or you lose 15 pounds. I want you to understand every time when the gold is going up and you're on sale, you lose 15, 5, 10, whatever the lot size it is, you lose money. Okay, I want you to understand if you buy and you have a bigger lot size, you will lose anyway. So that's why I want you to stick with 0.01 or 0.05 because you're gonna lose or you're gonna win 10 cents or 50 cents. It's not so much, but if you stick with the same lot size on the same currency, you're gonna see the difference. So if you, for example, keep the same 0.01 on gold today until Thursday, and next week, the Monday until Thursday, you're going to change from 0.01 until 0.05 or 0.10. You're going to see the difference every single week. I want you to manage your risk management. That's when people get greedy, and not even people like traders for 7-10 years, they can't win. They can't even take a funding account because of this. If you manage the basic, you can make millions in trading. Trust me. I get greedy of this. That's why I didn't make money in the first 2 years. Because I didn't manage this. I all the time change it. I didn't keep one. So 1.50 lot size, and the lot size is here, is the is how much money is the size of account you have it. Okay, so for example, you start with 500 pounds or 500 euro or dollar. You have to calculate your size. Okay, and you have a one lot size, for example 0.10, you have 10 pips, okay, or $10 per every pair. Every pair means forex, like minor currency, which are euro. I'm gonna talk about them in the next slide. And 0.30 lot size is 3 pips, and 0.01 is 10 cents. Okay, I want you to stick with one for a week, and the next one another one, because if you discipline in that way, I promise you 12 months you will get where you want. But if you don't stick with one, you won't get one. It's the same one. If you stick with one script, you're gonna get results, okay, eventually. If you don't stick with one script, you won't get a result eventually. So the next one is actually what I call it, and you know the picture, okay? 3 points of be aware in the market. It's low risk, medium risk, and high risk. And high risk is called hedge as well, because if you have high risk, okay, you may actually lose your account. If you have low risk, you know you can actually have half of your account or 99% of your account available. And low risk, they are currency, for example, GBP, Euro, and Pound. If I talk quick, just let me know, okay? That's not a problem. You have the recording anyway. Medium, they are currency which they are, for example, GPY, they have 100 plus value, okay? So if we talk about GPY, we talk about 105 or 100, I don't know, someone help me. You can Google it. You can go on MetaTrade for it, let me know. You can risk 100 pounds, you can risk $100 per trade, but that means you need to have a capital of 1,000. Because when you trade, for example, USD GPY, you need to expect you're gonna risk $100 or 100 euro, because GPY have the value of 100 and how much? 105, 106, right? I don't know. I didn't check it, so I don't know. So the trick of losing money, it's some people doesn't put stop loss, and I'm telling you, I have people in the team, they don't want to put stop loss. I don't even, bother if they don't want to put stop loss. You're the same. If you don't want to put stop loss, it's on you. Okay, take profit as well. Some people doesn't put take profit, or some people doesn't follow the take profits. And the hedging, you actually don't get to the TP5 or TP3, because some trades, they don't actually achieve TP5 or TP4. So you actually have to be realistic in life, like you are in the trading and the other side as well, because trading is exactly like a ball of ping pong. Okay, you hit it up, and after you hit it up, it's bounce back. So when you put a TP4, for example, or 3, it's gonna hit TP3, but you don't know if it's gonna bounce back. Okay, because you don't know how much the gravitation is done. Is in the business the same? Like, you don't know how many chances you have. You know 50%, but what happened with the other 50%? You never know. So I leave the chat open in case you want to ask me something. Okay. So pips, what means pips? We all know, we all have so many sessions. If you're older than, I don't know, 1 year, okay? I know some people in here which are older than 1 year in the business and in the team, the pips are percentages and points. When I say points, I mean dollars, okay? Or euro or pound. I don't mean anything else. So when I mean percentages and points, I mean exactly in the 3 high risk: low, medium, and high. Okay, I try to help you identify exactly the all pips in the market. For example, for GPY, for gold and for forex, like the small currency. Okay, so if you see on the low, on it's calculate on gold XAU USD on the fourth decimal. So I'm gonna show you on the medium. It's calculated on the third decimal, which actually is GPY. The only one is calculated based on the third decimal, and the highest, which is second decimal, that's gold. The full one, it's the other way around, which is second decimal. And as I mentioned for you, okay, is gold, DAX, DJ, I mean Don Juan, US, or US 30, which is DAX as well, depends what broker use, or Bitcoin. Okay, in case of Bitcoin, that is many question of it, because sometimes it's calculated on the second decimal, sometimes it is different. I still try to understand it, to be honest. So when you have pips like risk and reward, it's 0.01 or 1 or 5. That's what I use. Okay, or medium, it's 1 or 100 per trade. And when I put a 1.05, okay, 1.05 or 100, I mean the amount of GPY, as I mentioned before. I mean how much GPY it costs, or how much, what's the value of a GPY. Okay, because GPY is 100, 105, as I mentioned. I don't know, let me check. If you have a look, hold on, because I didn't check and I don't know. I don't even have it. USD GPY, here we go. So USD GPY, I never use, it's 150. Okay, so the lowest value, or the lowest the currency, which is the minor one, if you look, they actually have the value of 0.01, 0.02, 1.5 point. Okay, so that's the value you can trade. You can have 5 trades, you can have 2 trades. On medium, it's GPY, okay, USD GPY, which is actually 100 and 150. Okay, so you actually risk or reward 150 pounds, dollar, euro per trade. Okay, and on high is dollar, or dollar XAU USD, gold, or Bitcoin. Okay, with 40,000. You choose. You can risk 1,900 per trade, or you can risk $40,000 per trade. Okay, which I always ask myself when I trade gold, if it's on buy or sell, should I risk 1,900 or should I not risk 1,900? It's literally up to you. But all the time when I trade, I ask myself this question. It's very important to ask yourself this. When people ask me like, how do you make this money? How did you take, how do you take your funding account? How do you know how to trade without any, indicators? Because I don't understand indicators. I hate them. So first and forward, it's order blocks. Today I received a question, what means order blocks for me? From my perspective, they are sockets of money. That's all they are. They are literally sockets of money, which you actually identify on the market, and you know where to can actually identify the trend and place an order. That's all you have to do. Of course, you don't know where to place an order, and I get that. But let me actually, I'm going to send you anyway this PDF, and you can understand what means order blocks. You have a PDF about order blocks as well. So the order blocks is the last candle, which is on sale on the highest demand profit, which is on buy. So you can see on the last bearish candle, okay? I don't say bearish, you can say bearish, okay? I say downtrend or uptrend. That's how I get used to it. So this is the last one, okay? And after that is come a buy, okay, market. And you can identify this very quick. For example, you can start from here. You can start from here, from the order blocks. It's literally up to you where you get started. But if I was you, I just get started from here, okay? And I just get a buy, and I will stop on here. or somewhere here, and that was it. So if you're wondering how this is working and how I can money with just with order blocks, it is very easy. So let me show you. First of all, you have to allocate and understand the trend, and I'm going to show you now, okay? And after you understand the trend, you have to draw the support and resistance. And after you draw the support and resistance on 1 week, 1 day, 4 hour, or 1 hour, depends how much time you have. Some people doesn't have so much time, and they actually trade for 4 hours or it's 5 minutes. That literally depends on you. You identify the order blocks. You mark your space or in the market where would you like to trade, okay? And after that, you will understand what's happening. If it's going up or if it's going down. I'm going to show you now because I know you get confused a bit, and I don't know if you get all my my points, but 100% you will understand now, okay? Because I know I'm speaking so much Romanian during the day and my English is going down. Don't underestimate this. I promise I do understand that. But I try my best with every single person, okay? So you can look at the market, okay? We have NASDAQ in here. We can trade gold, it's literally up to you. Pick a pair. Thank you, Michelle. I really appreciate that. Just pick a pair. Let me know what pair do you want to actually trade tonight for tomorrow. Because we're gonna do that for tomorrow. But you're not gonna have no NASDAQ. Okay. Edwin, unfortunately, I don't trade GBP USD. Okay. Maybe next section I will show you. Okay. So we have NASDAQ in here. So I'm going to 1 week. Okay. Let me delete this for you guys because it was from the other session. We have a bit like a headache with the other session with my computer. But you know, I love the challenges. Okay, so we have here on 1 week, okay? So as you see, the market here is literally like up, is on consolidation, is going up, and is going on consolidation, and now it's on consolidation a bit. But I want to text in the chat, where do you think this market is going? Where do you think this chart is going, up or down? Oh, okay, perfect. So I'm gonna take, okay, from the highest low, we can take from here, but it's fine. From the highest low to the highest high. And the highest high was this one, okay? Cool. So if we identify the trend, okay, I'm going to 1 day and to check if my trend is right, okay? So if my trend is right, okay, this is the highest high. Perfect. Now, I want to draw the support and resistance to see if my trend is right. So I'm taking the line and I'm going to draw exactly the resistance from here. Okay. And I draw it a bit, you know, wiser. Okay. And I'm going to take hold on, another color. And I'm going to take the support to draw it as well, okay? We're gonna do it from here. Do you get that now, yeah? Perfect. And I'm going now 4 hours or 1 hour. Choose one or 4. What target, what time frame do you want to have? 1, okay. So we're gonna go on 1, okay? Now if we go on 1, you can see, okay, you can't see very clear what you have. But if you go on 4, you can see your support down, is down the line, and you can see your resistance, okay? Perfect. But what we need to identify now is actually the trend, the support and resistance during the 4-hour time frame, because you identify on the 1 day, okay? I'm showing you per ensemble, per the big picture so I understand. So we're going for 1 hour, okay? And I want you from here, because you have anyway, okay, the trend. I want you from here to identify the support and resistance. So we go here, that's the support we have, okay? You're gonna draw it wiser if you want, but I recommend you to draw it wiser, because when you draw it wiser, like on biggest time frame, you will see how the market was moving before and the resistance as well. And I'm gonna tell you why I draw this, okay? Because I don't do anything else different. So when you draw the support and resistance, it's an indicator called Ichimoku, okay? And that indicator is say here 80 and 20. If the market is bounced up, that means it's a hit the total price, the TP, and you have results. If the market is bounced down, okay, and this is your stop loss, that means it's hit your SL stop loss and you lose. So the market is like up and down all the time. You can see up, down, up, down. So here, hit the stop loss. Of course, you need some confirmation when you draw the support and resistance, but 100% you need 3 confirmation. So you do have this confirmation, okay? Because if I'm going down, 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 you do have minimum 3 confirmation, okay? So you have here 1. Oh my goodness, you have 1, you have 2, and you have next one 3, okay? So 1, 2, you literally have 3 confirmation, kind of. But anyway, if you have 3 confirmation and this one have 3 confirmation 100%, that's all is matter. Let me show you. Hold on. What is it? Here we go. So you have here, right? I want to show you to understand it better. So you have here 1 confirmation, okay? I don't have any to draw. You have the second one on green. You have the third one. So that's a good resistance, okay? And you have the other one as well, which is coming today, okay? So if you don't need 5, you don't need 10, you need 3. Okay, some people have 5 confirmation. Ichimoku, exactly. Some people have 5 confirmation of 4, or for example, Viva la Resistance. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I do 3, just 3. I don't know, way different people, different, things, strategies. How I actually do is very simple, as I mentioned before, okay? So when the market, I always said, like, this is my support and this is my resistance. And when the market is bounced back, that means it's hit my stop loss, okay? That means I'm in lose. I lose my money. So if I hit the TP, that means I win my money and I win everything I bet on, okay? I don't know how you actually think about the market, but I think like I make money, I lose money. That's how I think about it. So now I want you to understand how you can identify the order blocks inside of this 1 hour time frame, okay? So we have this market, okay? So what we do, we look per total how the market is going. So you can see the market is going up and down, but the trend is say up. But from here, the trend is reversing down, okay? I want you to let me know if you understand until now, and after I'm gonna show you the order blocks. Did you? Okay, cool. Perfect. I believe I'm talking just with Michelle, and that's fine, don't worry. Cool. So if you want to actually identify the order blocks, okay, it's very simple. As I mentioned before, it's just the downtrend on the uptrend on reverse of the market. I mean, you have a red candle in an uptrend market or a blue candle or green candle in the downtrend market. Do you understand now? It makes sense. Okay, perfect. Cool. So now, because I want to identify the trend, okay, I'm gonna take this chart, okay, this part, and I want to show you exactly what doesn't make sense for me at some point and what doesn't make sense for me. I was confused. You can see, okay, you can see the market is going up, okay? But these are two candles, and always the traders, it's called the dead candles. You can't trade on them because you don't have the body, okay? So if you try to trade on them, I'm telling you, you're gonna lose your money 100%, no return, okay? So when you go up, the trend is going up, you have to be very aware of these candles, because some candles, they do have the how do you call it? Help me, Edwin. The leg, okay, the leg. Some candles have the legs, some candle doesn't have the legs. And when you see the candle which doesn't have the legs, that means a continuity of the market. That means the market is still carry on the same trend, you know. But when the candle is closed, like proper, it's open up, have the body, and it's closed down, that means the market is gonna switch off. Okay, so in this case, I have that candles, it's open up, it have the body, and it's closed down, you have a downtrend, okay? Automatically, you have a downtrend. It's not impossible to learn, but I'm telling you, you have everything in your back office, especially on market. So after it's going down, I want you to know this. You have open, body, close. When it's closed, it's open up the other market, okay? An uptrend. So I want to understand the candle has to close to can reverse the trend, okay? John Wick, what the? Okay, I got it. You got the name, huh? I don't got the name, so that's fine. I'm still working with, open, close. Got you. Cool. So, we open here, and I want to identify the order blocks for you. So my order blocks from this trend is literally this one, okay? With the body, without the body, that's mine. This is actually sockets of money from people who actually are richer than me and richer than you, okay? So I identify these order blocks, and what I want right now to do to see where the market is going. Of course, I have a gap in the market, which is this, okay? And this gap, I wanted to see how it's gonna help me to make money. How it's gonna help me to identify my trend during the 1 hour, okay? So let me show you here. So from here, from this middle candle, because you already identified the blocks, to here, you have like up, down, and up, okay? And I'm stopping here because this one is a gap which you can't cover with anything. If you start to trade from here to then, you have to start on uptrend. You can't start on downtrend, okay? So from there to down, you have to understand if you identify the order blocks and you already know this is going to be a downtrend, okay? From here, you just go down. And maybe you're gonna ask me, how should I understand this is gonna be a downtrend if the candle is here of the order blocks? Because you can't identify the order blocks here if you have a consolidation here. If you have a dead body, right? You're gonna lose all your money here. You don't have a body in those candles, and that's why you can't identify anything. You have this one, but what happened with this? Money lose, money lose, money lose, and after that, the trade is gonna close and you have to open another one. But if you open it here, it won't close. It carry on. Right? It makes sense. It is makes sense. Let me know. Yes. Okay. To be honest, I don't know how much sense makes for you, but I think this makes for me much sense. Yeah, cool. I hope so. I hope so. Cool. And now we're going in uptrend, and you tell me, okay, if it's going in uptrend, okay, what the heck is going in uptrend? I want to identify that order blocks again. It's just identifying your money. It's just identify your socket with money. That's all you have to do. That's all I do. I identify, I'm going up. I identify, I'm going up. It does nothing instead. I just work with order blocks. So after here, okay, you may ask yourself, hold on, it's going down. It's going down. Oh my God, it's going down. Yes, it's going down, but look, what's happening here, okay? On Monday, it have an uptrend, and it stay for the whole day. 4 candles one day, not too good. But if you go from Wednesday until, what day is here? Probably Friday, okay? Thursday. So Wednesday, Thursday, 2 days, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that's that, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 candlesticks in 2 days, okay? 6 a day of sell. So you have more power on sell than you have power on buy, okay? So if you identify the order blocks on buy, it's gonna be probably down here on Wednesday. Okay, so you're not gonna have all downtrend in one day. You're gonna have all these beautiful things in a week, even is a 1 hour. Because let's start from here. We have Tuesday, Thursday, okay, last week, and we have it until Friday. So we have Thursday 1, we have Thursday 1 on sell, we have Thursday buy, okay, we go on Friday on sell, we go on Friday on sell, we go on Friday on sell a bit. Some people lose money on Friday, and I mentioned to not trade. And on Monday we start on buy, and the people they think if we start on buy, oh my God, it's buy. No, it's not. It's carry on. So if we start on sell, okay, Tuesday is going on sell, Wednesday is going on sell, Thursday going on sell, Friday you lose money, okay? And Monday you think market is going up. No, it's not. It's going down. It's following the trend until it's gonna hit this SL, the stop loss. When the market is hit the stop loss, then it's gonna change reverse. If it doesn't hit, it doesn't change. Yeah, you're right. So from here, you identify it. You have the same, okay, the problems. Okay, it's going down. It's going up, okay? It's going down. That's the consolidation. You can't do it's Friday. Look at this. Okay? And now you got it, okay? It's going up. Let me show you. And you can see it's going up. Yeah. But why you didn't understand is this section here. Because you said, okay, Friday, Otilia, it's consolidation, but what's that mean? Look. You have order blocks in here. And I want you to study, okay? I will give you an assignment. And in the end, this is going down. It's following the trend. It's hit the SL. And it's come back. It's bounced back. It's bounced down, okay? It doesn't hit the SL. And when it's bounced back, you have 100% return on the market. But you have to understand has to hit SL or has to hit TP. I mean, the resistance so can actually bounce back. It's like a ball. It's like everything. Gravitation, right? It's hit here, 100%. It's going to come back. Okay. But it's not going to happen in a day. It's going to happen in a week, or it's going to happen in 2, 3 days. Depends of the market. You can see the sell has more volatility than buy. And I'm not going to tell you how it's going to hit this. I just want to show you this. And I'm going to give you 50% of my strategy, okay? So if you don't know how much you can put the price, you can start from the lowest, from the stop loss, until your highest high, until your highest TP with the Fibonacci, okay? And you have all the TPs. And you can just, decreases or increases, whatever. Let me know how this is. Did you understand it? Make more sense or less? More sense. Okay. I appreciate that. I like that. It does. Okay. Cool. I have an assignment for you. If of course, if you want to make it and to do it. So the assignment is actually, I'm gonna drop the PDF of all the blocks, okay? And I want each and one of you to do all the blocks, to do 10 all the blocks, and to identify the support and resistance. Few of you knows already, okay? Because I know who I'm talking about. And few of you don't. But I want you all to do it again. Because every single day I said to myself, it is day one mentality, is not another day. Because when I start to study again Forex, because I take a break from Forex, I'm telling you, 6 months. When I study again Forex, I said to myself, I'm going to start clear from zero with no knowledge, no strategy, no RSI, no blah, 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 no, from zero. And I start and I was like, okay, let's do support resistance. Let's ask people who have already achieved $1 million in this trading, okay, how simple they did it. I want the simplest way. I don't want strategy. I don't want to, have 10 strategy and none of them to hit the TPE or to lose myself in them. No, tell me, teach me the easiest way. And the same way I teach my team, and I could you not, they make so much money. And I'm like, bless. Some of them, they actually quit the job. And I'm so happy. I'm so, so happy. So I'm telling you, you can make it. Give yourself 12 months. Starting from today, I promise you, you will quit your job from the second month. But if you actually invest in it, like not too much, 1 or 2 hours a day, you can make it. Just analyze the market today. Okay. And tomorrow, you're going to have everything for tomorrow. With the night before, always do with the night before. Because if you have everything, you have everything settled for the next day. The market won't move. The market won't reverse. If you know it, the market won't reverse. All you need is just one trade. All you need is just 100 or 500 a day. And that's it the next day. But all you need, the most important is to learn where to stop. Because I know. I blew so many accounts before I teach myself how to stop and where to stop. Cool. Do you have any question for me? You can actually switch on the microphone. I'm not one of the mentors, Fusi. I'm just very classy one. So you unmute anyway. The one Thank you. I really miss you. You can unmute yourself. Yeah. You're free. Feel free. Don't be shy. Come on. Let's make some noise. We need to make some money in here. So you need to make noise. I know. Don't worry, I know. Because no one have any question for me. You all millionaire already. I think so. Here we go. You can unmute yourself. Carry on. Okay, perfect. So if you don't have any question, I'm glad you understand something tonight. It's all recorded, and I'm gonna drop everything. And of course, the explanation of a candlestick. Um, I'm gonna leave it at this tonight and today. And next week you're gonna have a big assignment if you do it. Okay, I'm gonna reward you with something which I learned myself and I learned the team. And I believe Edwin knows about it. So I really appreciate. Have an amazing night. Let's get rich, okay? You have 2 months and you have one goal. In 2 months, I want this team to actually achieve a minimum of $1,000 a week, if it's not a day. I know sometimes I want too much, but I want this team to can actually make so much money in forex and so much money, in business. Because if you know how to make money in forex, everyone wants to know how you can make money. So let's make it together. Okay, have a good night, chums. See you soon.